Hot Box 11, nigga. Money maker. It's like that, nigga. Yeah. Out here playing the block, man. Shout out to that boy Young Thug. Every time I bust, I gotta shoot me at least 2 pistols. 2 niggas beefing, I give 2 issues. Yeah, nigga murder is what I'ma do with you. When I hit your ass with that shit, nigga, through with you. Rolling with all of my niggas, you know that we keep this shit hella G. Nigga, compared to me, use a ticket to a felony. Nigga, like low-key and hellin' weed. Yeah, you know how felons be. Up and down my hood, I be bellin' G. Nigga got caught, then no tellin' G. Yeah, I be smashing with choppers. Send your ass to the doctor. Shake you like Mexicans hold the maracas. Run up with the hands and I sock you. Sock you so hard that I really drop you. Nigga, when I drop you, I'ma stop you. Nigga, little nigga used to be hooked on phonics. Nigga grew up banging, got hooked on chronic. Nigga, talking this shit and get hit and get hit and get ripped and get split. Get chunked in the ditch and hit with hollow tips. I bust one up in your head, nigga, your shit a split and scatter all over your motherfucking mirror. Nigga, I'm a nigga, you should have some fear of own. Cause if you don't, I get the chrome, load and cock and bust, nigga. More weapons than Danny Glover. Lethal weapon, kill you and make it look like you killed each other. Nigga, fuck you, your cousin, mother, sister, and brother. Yeah, y'all get fucked murderous without a rubber. Bitch, every time I bust, I gotta shoot me at least 2 pistols. Yeah, 2 niggas beefing, I get 2 issues. Yeah, nigga, murder is what I'ma do with you. Yeah, when I hit your ass up, through with you. Smoking true swishers. I smoke green, I smoke red, I smoke blue swishers. Yeah, nigga, I'm in the bushes. I punk more niggas than Ashton Kutcher. Yeah, and I ain't talking about no prank. I'm talking about where you from, what's your rank, who your big homeboy, do you blow on that dank? Nigga, do you got more armor than a tank? Hell to the gnaw. Nigga, fall back for you get one of your balls. I'm a real live nigga, homeboy, best believe that I'm a G, homie, and I do stay with heat. I get that and cock that and aim that and pop that and hit him in the noggin when I pop, you can't stop that. All the motherfuckers looking at me trying to jock that, but them niggas can't stop, so therefore they just watch that. Nigga, I'm a rider, got the work for the low, you cop that. Nigga, if you don't, nigga, go ahead and lay down right now, cause if you don't get down, I'ma hit that, get that cock and spit rounds, nigga. I'm talking more weapons than Danny Glover. Nigga, kill both of you and make it look like you killed each other. Nigga, fuck you, your cousin, mother, and brother. Yeah, I'm the nigga y'all don't wanna fuck with her. Nigga, every time I bust, I gotta shoot me at least 2 pistols. Yeah, 2 niggas beefing, I give 2 issues. Yeah, nigga, murder is what I'ma do with you. When I hit your bitch ass up, nigga, I'm through with you. Through with you. Yeah, I'm through with you. I run up in your motherfucking trap for the strap like, give me that loot, nigga. Yeah, you don't give it up, play bitch, and I'm gonna shoot, nigga. I don't think you want that to happen to you, nigga. Yeah. Hot Box freestyle. Real sweat. Check it out. Nigga sweating cuz.
And none of this shit wrote, man.
Yeah. Yeah, nigga. I'm traumatized. You know a little nigga traumatized? Yeah, little nigga traumatized. Yeah, little nigga traumatized. The streets got me traumatized. Busting the heater got me traumatized. Making the heater got me traumatized. Yeah. Yeah. You know what nigga traumatized? Nigga, I ain't never lied. Unless when I got caught by the fives. I don't know what happened, guys. Come on with the bunk. I ain't know nothing. I don't know nothing. Come on with the bunk. Nigga, right now, give me my time. Nigga, eat chow. Hit push-ups and get mail. Young nigga did time in jail. Got locked up and I didn't tell. If I'm a bitch, I ain't got no tail. And I don't tuck and I don't run and I don't bark. I just bite on any motherfucker every time he start or she start. It don't matter. On me Pop-Tart ass niggas get their ass hit up with my toaster. Loco nut always keep me a heat in my holster. Fuck with me, get that Glock cock back and ghost ya. Hit your ass up when I come through and hitting your ass up, my nigga. You know I roast ya. Freestyling, you know that I see wildin' blood niggas. They fuck with me, say I be wildin'. Nigga, you talking that shit, get my motherfucking heater in your mouth, smoke like a black and mountain. Always rap about the Glock, cause I really love the Glock. Glock 21 SF and a handle. Extended clip in that bitch, that's 30 shots. From cheaper than dirt, that's the gun shop in the phone. Nigga don't wanna end up in the trunk. Or open the trunk looking hit with the pump. And put in the ditch like ditch away your punk. I'm a rider for sure. You know a nigga traumatized. Leave a nigga traumatized. Shoot him cause he dramatized me. He wanna motherfucking shit and try to lamalize me. Hell nah, with his heat, nigga, not I. I'm a real nigga, that's for sure, nigga. It's motherfucking me, guaranteed with me when I get the heat and cock and bust your sleeve. Put your face in front of a fucking T. Nigga, better not get the bus and no surviving luckily. Nigga, I can make a situation ugly. Making a nigga wish like, damn, cuz shouldn't have fucked with him. Cause that nigga know what time it is. And if he don't, then I'ma make that nigga fix his motherfucking watch, boy. Cause I'm a nigga that always keep the heater in the heater. Ain't always on me, my nigga, if that's a cock, boy. You already know what I'm saying. A nigga like me is a super saiyan. They call a nigga Gogeta while I'm rolling the reefer, feeling like Wiz Khalifa. Nigga make you a believer. I'm hitting you with the heater. You know I'm a front seater or a back seater. I'm hitting niggas, having them running faster than cheetahs. Nigga, what you wanna do? Put one in your wife beater. I'm a nigga old school like a nigga wearing feelers, and I got more stripes than a referee riding a zebra, wearing a pair of Adidas. I don't think nobody can see me. And if you think you can't make sure your glasses is 3D, I'm HD, high definition, not your regular TV. That mean I'm not no fucking L7 weenie. I got one wish, nigga, I got from a genie, and that was to smash every motherfucking thing that I grab. Nigga, cut that bitch in 2 halves, do it hella bad. Speaking of doing bad, free my nigga do bad. Free my nigga Gangsta King, yeah, it's too sad. And free all my niggas locked up in the Bing, and all my niggas that's flying free, homie, rest in peace. And I'm a nigga that always be rolling in the streets. I'm rolling with my niggas, money makers past the weed, so I can hit that hoe in the THC. Be having me on another level I can't describe. Niggas know what time it is when Loco know the ride. I get that 9 and adding, and that's the 4-5. I mean divide, motherfucker, whatever, man. You know a nigga like me is clever with a Beretta thing. A nigga hustling, niggas know that I'm getting cheddar, man. And everything I do is a motherfucking me better than the shit I already did. Nigga, it's irrelevant. The niggas be talking shit. Shh, I ain't smelling shit because the weed they inhaling ain't nothing but some boo-boo. Nigga, get the geeter, cock it back and put one in you. Nigga, you ain't shit but a nigga, get on my menu. You wanna come to the hood, motherfucker, check the venue. And I'm a creep just like me, a ninja and tense you. Nigga, you wicked and wet tissue. Hit you up with the 9mm, let the tech rip you. Nigga.